Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. This one I started a little different with that nice swing for the legs and the tail. And I'm going 4 times the speed here and voicing over. Just mapping in kitty. Just want to get those shapes and angles right, and then I can start darkening up my lines. There's some lines in there for the eyes. Move them down a bit. I often get the eyes up too high. I think I still did, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the photograph. As long as it looks comfortable and it works and I'm happy with it. I used to get hung up on everything being exactly right, but when you start fussing over everything like that, then you lose the life in it. And I'd rather aim for the character and soul and let my kitties become what they become. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat, or how many cats you have, or whatever, or where you live in the world. Or what you want to learn about cat drawing. Now I'm really to the stage where I'm darkening up the lines that I do like. And varying my lines too. About the only thing with this drawing so far that I really think I would have done a little different is I probably should have had the legs, the front legs tapered quite a bit more and the paws smaller, just to make it look like they're going down. You know, they're farther away than the cat's face. But that's okay because it's all a learning experience, and it's not that I'm not happy with it, it's just that that's what I learned out of this one. And it all carries forward to the next. I find if anything, I got to be careful that I don't overdo it with lines. I like my drawings simplistic. I like them to get to the point and just show the character and soul of the kitty more than anything. Whiskers! Was the fun final touch. Thank you so much for watching today. There's lots more to come, so I'll see you next time.